Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the May into June budget box for Plouise. I'm excited for this one. I've had a sneak peek and it's a good one, so make sure you stick around. Let's get straight on with the video. As I said, I'm excited for this one. I've had a little peek and I can't wait to show you what we've got. So this is the May into June budget box. Like Plouise calls it the May one, but you get it in June, and people find that really confusing. So let's try to clear it up at the start of my videos. So this is what the box looks like. It actually arrived today. This is the box. I am so excited. So I'm just going to start off and show you what we've got. The first thing that I picked out, like I don't ever really know where to start if I'm honest, but the first thing that I picked out when I opened the box was this here. This is a little palette. So this one is the Smoke palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Very Plouise, very pink, very pretty. So when we get into the product itself, this is what the front looks like. And this is the palette. You get a nice little mirror in there. And look at those shades, they are stunning. I don't have as many neutral and nudes from Plouise, so I'm excited about this. So you got some lighter nudes and then some darker browns, and then you get two shimmers, a dark brown one, and then this goldy one here, which I just have to swatch. That looks unbelievable. Wow, look at that, that is stunning. That's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really excited to try this. I love the little fire kind of imprints on them. I think that's really nice. So that's the first thing that we got. So pretty. I know I say it every single month, but the budget boxes just keep getting better and better. I've been thinking about getting rid of mine for a while, mainly for financial reasons, not because of the products at all, it's literally just financial reasons. But then I get mine for the month and I just physically can't bring myself to cancel it because they are so good. Next, do I go with exciting things? Okay, next I'm going to show you this one. There are so many things in this box, I literally don't know what to show you first. Next we've got this here, which I didn't actually expect to get. But this, if you ordered in the month of May, Plouise gave a free blue raspberry lip conditioner to anyone that ordered in May. Because I ordered my budget box in May, I never had thought of it that way. I got one. I also got another one because I did place an order in May. Because there were some bits that I wanted anyway, so I'm really excited to have this. I'm not going to lie, I might keep this one on my keys. I actually have a little keyring just full of them. I'll show you one sec. I have a keyring with a few of my lip conditioners on. These are just a few of my favourites. My ultimate favourite, if you haven't been here before, you won't know this, but if you've been here before, you'll be sick of hearing me talk about it. The white chocolate is incredible. It's absolutely insane. It's so good. We recently got a strawberry as well, which smells so nice. Got the blue raspberry on there, so nice. And I really like the apple as well, but there are so many scents that just smell so good. But my favourite definitely has to be the white chocolate. It's also really exciting because Paige has recently sold 1 million juice boxes, so I think that's a nice little nod to that as well. Then we've got a Drive Me Balmy Duo. I'm really sad about this because it looks beautiful, but I can't use it. I think I'm allergic, and there's a lot of products that I'm allergic to, and we don't really know what it is, but there's a certain ingredient in certain things that I'm allergic to. So I've had the watermelon one and the chocolate one, and both of them made my lips kind of sting. It made them like burn and sting, a bit like a lip plumper, but like quite extreme, to the point where I just had to take it off for all 4 of the products I tried. My mum then tried them, and I've had friends try them. They say, yeah, it plumps a little bit, tingles a little bit, but nothing extreme. So I think that I may be allergic to them, and I'd rather not use something I'm allergic to. So I'm probably going to give this away because this looks so pretty. This is in the flavour Melodramatic. I love the packaging, it's so nice. I'm not going to open this though, because if I'm going to give it away to someone, I don't want to open it and like do swatches, it's not very sanitary. But I'll quickly show you what one of them does look like inside. So this is my watermelon one. This is the Drive Me Balmy Make It Melon. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So you've got 2 products in here. Both I think are lip balms. This one says lip balm and the other one doesn't actually say anything. So you get a pen, which is so cute. In here is the pen. It's actually got a little heart applicator, and then this one's the lip balm. Supposed to both be really nice, I just don't agree with me. I'm going to try them again, which I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to try them again because I really want to like them. So many people love them, but for me it just doesn't seem to go well with my skin, which is so frustrating. But I would definitely recommend having a look into them if you're interested. I do love the juice boxes though. I think this will smell really nice and I'm obsessed with the packaging. I think they're so cute. But I definitely recommend the juice boxes. They are amazing. I've never had a problem or a reaction with those. and they smell so, so good. I'll be honest though, I never bought one of those. I've literally got all 3 of the ones that I've got through my budget box. I've got them all through budget boxes, which is frustrating that I keep getting them and I can't use them, but it is what it is. Next, we've got a Cheek Fit blush. I believe this is in a new colour, a new shade, because I've never seen this one before. This is in the shade Marmalade Melt, and it looks so pretty. It looks corally, but with like a hint of pink in there. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. This is so pretty. So, let's see. Oh, that wasn't a nice noise. Oh, it's so corally. It looks so pretty. I've been tempted to give this away when I saw it, because it looks so pretty, but I just don't know if I can. Because look at that shade. Should we just I kind of want to compare it against my corally one, because I do have a coral one, but I think this one's just a little bit darker. That one just looks a little bit lighter than this, but it looks really pretty. So as I said, this is Marmalade Melt. For those of you that may not have seen these before, these are Cheek Fit blushes. They've got, let's just focus, there we go. They've got like a padded bit. I don't know why it keeps going out of focus, I do apologise. They've got like a padded bit on the front, which is like an applicator. You can squeeze this, it can come through the applicator. Or you can actually take this off and it can just come through as the product itself. Have a little swatch. Oh, that is stunning. That is a beautiful shade. Oh, so it's just come through there, as you can see. That's what it looks like when it comes through the applicator. Let's have a quick swatch. That is like me in a blush. That is my perfect blush shade. I love that so much. As I said before, we've got some really nice blush shades like the pinky one, the purpley one, but this is literally me in a blush. So we've unboxed 3 items so far, and we still have, well, technically 4 if you include the freebie. We've unboxed 4 items so far, and we've still got more to go. This box was really giving. So this is the next one, which is you've got Great Taste Cheek Treats. This, I'm so obsessed with the packaging, it's so pretty. So you just undo the Velcro here, and then when we look inside, a few newbies from Plouise. I've never seen these before. This is like an assortment of powder puffs. So pretty. So first we've got this huge one here, which is so nice. I'm not gonna lie, I've been needing small powder puffs for a while. I feel like I just go through them so much. So this one is really, really soft. It's got the little Plouise logo on the front. Huge heart. I'm not gonna lie, I don't, like with these ones I do like them, but I kind of wish they were double-ended. I love the heart design, but like this kind of thing is perfect to get under my eyes. But like this part, I probably wouldn't really use it as much unless I'm doing it like around my face. But again, if I'm doing like down here, I wouldn't really use this part as much. So I think it'd be better if it was like a diamond shape. Personally, I like to give a little bit of feedback all the time, but I love this. It feels so soft. Then we've got, oh, we've got one like this. This reminds me of the Doll Beauty one, I'll be honest. This reminds me of the Doll Beauty one. Again, it's so pretty. Again, very, very soft, very cushioned. We've got another 2 of those, but smaller. So basically we've got 2 sets in total looking at this. We've got this one here with this side on it. And then we've got like the double-sided one in 3 sizes. And then this one in 3 sizes. That's the smaller one there. Very pretty. And then this is the mini one. This I think is so cute. I love like minis. I think they're so cute. Little mini logo on it as well. And then these are the other 2. So that is the double-sided cushion one. Again, like that. I think this is like the prettiest shape. Like, you know, for like size proportions. And we've got another one which is even smaller. So that's really nice. We've got 6 different powder puffs there. I think all this, let me just remind you, all of this is for £30. It is crazy the amount of things that you get for this. These originally, I'm pretty sure these originally retailed at £22. I'm just saying, it's absolutely crazy, crazy value for money. It's insane. And then I got one more thing, which when I opened it up, it turned out not to be one more thing. So this is what it looks like. It says love letters that sealed the deal. Very, very pretty packaging. I absolutely love this. We open it up. And when I open it up, it's actually got another 4 things inside. Like I said, the value for money with the Plouise budget boxes is just something else. I love Plouise, but I'll be completely honest, the new deals, like the new launches and stuff she brings out, I can't afford them. I really, really want them, but I physically can't afford them. When she brought out the lip conditioner vending machines, couldn't afford that. when she brought out the recent one, which is the cream bronzer like oven. I couldn't afford that. She also brought out a palette. Oh, I feel like it was New Year time she brought out the palette. It was absolutely stunning. I still really, really want that, but I just can't afford that palette. But when she brings out new products that are in budget boxes, it makes me so excited, and it just feels really, really nice that she's still including some more pricey things and like bringing it down, and just such good value, if that makes sense. So it's just such a lovely thing that she does for people, is having the budget box. I do apologise if you can hear. My neighbour's kids just got back from school and they're playing in the garden, so they've been quite loud, so I do apologise if you can hear that. So let's open this up. The first thing that we've got in here, I'm going to show the brushes first because these are really, really pretty. So if you don't know me, you won't know I love Plouise brushes. I use them quite often. Real Techniques and Plouise are my two favourite brush brands. So I've got this one here first, which is the F68 brush. I don't have this, but this looks really nice. That'd be a really nice blush brush. Yeah, that'd definitely be a really nice blush brush. I like the colour of it as well. It's like a grey tone. Very pretty. Then we also have another one, which is the F69 brush. I would probably use this more for highlight, but I think a lot of people probably use it for blush or bronzer. Probably for other people, they'd use this one for bronze and this one for blush, but I'd probably use this for blush and this for highlight, just my personal preferences. That's something I love about makeup though. You don't really have any rules, you can just do whatever you want, but they both feel really, really nice quality, and I can add them to the rest of my collection. I must have at least 50 Plouise brushes by now, like I have so many, and I still feel like every time I get a new one, I look at it and I'm like, oh my god, I was missing that every single time. And you know that a company is doing something well when no matter how much you have from them, they bring something else out and you're definitely missing it from your collection. Then we've also got this here, which is a cream bronzer palette. I am so excited by this because when she brought out the cream bronzers recently from like the oven collection, I really, really wanted one. However, I just can't afford to be buying one right now, never mind the full collection and the oven kit and everything. So when I saw this in the budget box, I was so happy. I haven't seen the inside of this yet, so I don't know what it looks like. This says 3 strikes, you're out. Again, very, very Plouise packaging. Let's open this up and have a look. I'm really hoping the shades will be okay for me, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with the packaging. It's like a gold metallic kind of effect on the edges. I've never seen Plouise do anything like this before, so I really like that. Please be good shades. Let's have a look. Let's open it up. Okay, that is perfection. It does have 3 different shades in it. This one's probably too deep for me, but these two I could definitely use. I could use this as like an eyeshadow. These two I could definitely use. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I'm officially blown away. That is beautiful. Kind of want to swatch it, but I also don't want to ruin it because it looks so nice. Okay, let's just give it a swatch. I'm going to swatch the cooler. Oh, wow. That is so buttery. That like, melts so nicely. Let's have a swatch on my hand. Yeah. That is really, really nice. I'll definitely be using that. Oh, I'm so excited to now have like a proper cream bronzer from Plouise. I've got the Cheek of It bronzer, but I'll be honest, I don't think I've got one that's actually in my shade yet. But that is really nice. Let's have a look at the final item. This is the cream blusher palette which goes with it. Cannot believe how much that you've got in this month's budget box. A cream blush palette, cream bronze palette, 2 face brushes, Cheek of It blush in a new shade. Well, I think it's new anyway. A Drive Me Balmy lip duo set. So that's 2 products in there. You've got the blue raspberry lip conditioner. You've also got the eyeshadow palette. Have I missed anything? Oh, and 6 makeup sponges, all for £30. I'm absolutely blown away. I think my first budget box, or like one of my first budget boxes I got, had like 2 products in. Admittedly, one was like a full-size eyeshadow palette, but like the amount of products you're getting now, it's literally like Christmas. It is insane. I'm struggling so much to get into this packaging. I swear, every single time I film a YouTube video, the majority of my editing is just me editing out, me trying to get into packaging, because it takes me forever. Okay. I think it's just because I don't want to ruin it. There we go. So we've got the same vibe for this one with the packaging. This one is actually called Third Time Lucky. Not sure if I said that. This is what it looks like. Again, we've got that gold kind of accent on it. Very, very pretty. Open it up. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, that is brighter than I was expecting it to be, but it looks really pretty. I think it looks brighter in person than it does on camera, because they are very neon shades, but I still think they're gonna be really nice. I think this one's probably gonna be the most for me of this one. Again, this one's a little bit dark, but let's see. Let's just give it a little swatch. Ooh, very, very creamy. Yeah, I love that. That's really nice. That's like quite a nice corally colour. Yeah, I love that. That is so nice. Again, it's so nice to get a palette that just feels like, do you know what, I was missing that in my collection. Really, really nice. I love the cream. Oh, it's the cream blush palette. I don't know what it's called. Let's see if I can find it quickly. Just realised that my light turned itself off again. One of my lights is really dodgy, and then it died. So I've got another one out that I had like in reserve, and this one's also dodgy, so it keeps turning itself off, so I do apologise for that. But I've got the Glow with the Flow palette that I bought a while ago when I went to go see the Plouise Empire. This is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. You've got like 3 nudie shades. These are very, very light, and then 2 dark shades, sorry. I feel like this kind of fills the gap between those, because I feel like you've got some really light ones and some really dark ones. You don't have anything in between, but I feel like this kind of fills that gap between those ones there, and I really like it. I think it's so pretty, and it's shades that I definitely don't have yet. Also with this one, I feel like it's quite messy, if you can see, because of the shape and like size of the pans. Like my brush always gets really messy around the edges. This one, with it being quite large pans, I don't feel like that would happen with that. So that is it. That is my full Plouise unboxing for May into June for 2024. I am absolutely blown away. It's just another month that I cannot bring myself to cancel the subscription, because it's just so unbelievably good. Like, I cannot believe how much I got for the value of money. Like, I just genuinely can't believe it. I think it's such good value. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what your favourite product was in the comments below, other videos you'd like me to do, things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!